Goosebumps aren't just a weird body quirk. They're an ancient survival weapon that once saved your ancestors from being eaten alive. Your body still thinks you're a furry animal facing predators, so when you get scared or cold, tiny muscles around each hair follicle contract to make you look bigger and more threatening to attackers that no longer exist. This evolutionary leftover from our prehistoric days was designed to create a fluffy layer of warmth when cold and make our ancestors appear larger and more intimidating when facing dangerous predators in the wild. The same adrenaline rush that triggers your fight or flight response also activates these microscopic muscles, proving that your body is constantly preparing for threats that disappeared thousands of years ago. What's even more incredible is that the exact same cell types responsible for giving you goosebumps are also controlling your hair growth, meaning this ancient defense mechanism is directly connected to how your hair follicles function every single day. Your autonomic nervous system triggers goosebumps without any conscious control, showing how deeply embedded these prehistoric survival instincts remain in your modern human body that still thinks it needs to scare away saber-toothed tigers.
Your brain can literally heal your body with fake medicine, and this mind-over-matter superpower is so strong that it works even when you know you're being tricked. The placebo effect isn't just positive thinking, it's your brain sending real biological signals that change your body chemistry, reduce inflammation, and trigger actual healing responses that are measurably identical to real medications. Scientists have discovered that placebos can reduce brain markers of emotional distress and physical pain, even when patients are fully aware they're taking sugar pills instead of actual drugs, proving that conscious belief isn't required for this healing magic to work. Your expectations literally rewire your neural pathways and alter your body's biochemistry, creating physical changes that doctors can measure in blood tests, brain scans, and tissue samples, making the placebo effect one of the most powerful healing tools ever discovered. The most shocking part is that your brain has evolved sophisticated mechanisms specifically designed to heal your body based on expectation and hope, suggesting that optimism and belief are actually biological survival tools, rather than just mental attitudes. When your mind can trigger the same healing responses as pharmaceutical drugs without any chemicals entering your system, every positive thought becomes a potential medicine that your brain manufactures internally using its own natural pharmacy.
Yawning is your brain's emergency cooling system that prevents your head from literally overheating and shutting down like a broken computer. When your brain temperature rises from stress, fatigue, or intense mental activity, yawning forces cool air into your skull and increases blood flow to rapidly lower your brain's core temperature before it reaches dangerous levels. The reason yawns are contagious isn't just social mimicry. It's an evolutionary survival mechanism where seeing someone else yawn triggers your brain to check its own temperature and cool down preemptively before overheating becomes a problem. This ancient cooling system evolved to keep our ancestors' brains functioning during high-stress situations like hunting, fighting, or escaping predators, when mental sharpness could mean the difference between life and death. Your brain is so sophisticated that it can detect when other people's brains are overheating just by observing their yawns, then automatically activate your own cooling system as a protective measure, even when you're not consciously aware of feeling warm or stressed. When a simple yawn can prevent your brain from overheating and malfunctioning, every contagious yawn becomes an automatic safety check that keeps your most important organ running at optimal temperature without you ever realizing your life depends on this prehistoric cooling mechanism.
Your dreams are actually a secret military training program that your brain runs every night to prepare you for dangers that might kill you while you're awake. The threat simulation theory reveals that dreaming evolved as nature's virtual reality system, allowing your brain to practice fighting, fleeing, and surviving dangerous situations without risking your actual life during these rehearsals. Every nightmare about being chased, falling, or facing scary situations is your brain's way of running combat simulations and escape scenarios, building neural pathways that could save your life if you ever encounter similar threats in reality. Your sleeping mind creates elaborate scenarios specifically designed to test your survival instincts and problem-solving abilities, essentially turning every night into a boot camp where your subconscious trains for worst-case scenarios. The most incredible part is that your brain can distinguish between dream training and real experiences, but it still builds the same neural connections and muscle memory that would activate during actual emergencies, making dreams a sophisticated survival preparation system. When your brain spends 8 hours every night running life or death simulations to keep you alive, every dream becomes a training session where your subconscious mind practices the skills that evolution determined you might need to survive in a dangerous world.
Your appendix isn't a useless leftover organ. It's actually a secret bunker where your body stores an army of good bacteria that could save your life during a medical emergency. Modern research has discovered that your appendix serves as a bacterial safe house, protecting beneficial microorganisms that can repopulate your entire digestive system if illness or antibiotics wipe out your gut bacteria. This tiny organ contains the highest concentration of immune tissue in your entire body, acting as a specialized military base where your immune system trains to fight infections and maintains reserves of healing bacteria for future battles. The appendix essentially functions as your body's internal pharmacy and emergency backup system, storing the exact bacteria strains your digestive system needs to function properly and fight off dangerous pathogens that could kill you. Scientists have found that people with appendixes actually live longer than those who have had them removed, proving that this small organ plays a crucial role in maintaining your overall health and longevity throughout your entire life. When your appendix is secretly housing an army of beneficial bacteria that could save your life during illness, every day you have this organ is another day your body maintains its own internal emergency medical response team,